I was waking up at 6 o'clock. I was waking up at 6 o'clock. I was turning off my alarm. I was turning off my alarm. I was getting out of bed. I was getting out of bed. I was opening the curtains. I was opening the curtains. I was making my bed. I was making my bed. I was stretching at home. I was stretching at home. I was meditating every morning. I was meditating every morning. I was checking my phone. I was checking my phone. I was going to the bathroom. I was going to the bathroom. I was washing my face. I was washing my face. I was brushing my teeth. I was brushing my teeth. I was flossing my teeth. I was flossing my teeth. I was washing my hands. I was washing my hands. I was taking a shower. I was taking a shower. I was drying my hair. I was drying my hair. I was combing my hair. I was combing my hair. I was moisturizing my face. I was moisturizing my face. I was getting dressed. I was getting dressed. I was going downstairs. I was going downstairs. I was making tea or coffee. I was making tea or coffee. I was listening to the radio. I was listening to the radio. I was preparing breakfast. I was preparing breakfast. I was having breakfast. I was having breakfast. I was calling a family member. I was calling a family member. I was putting on my shoes. I was putting on my shoes. I was putting on my jacket. I was putting on my jacket. I was leaving the house. I was leaving the house. I was going to work. I was going to work. I was working on my computer. I was working on my computer. I was attending meetings. I was attending meetings. I was taking a lunch break. I was taking a lunch break. I was having lunch. I was having lunch. I was finishing work. I was finishing work. I was going home. I was going home. I was going grocery shopping. I was going grocery shopping. I was playing with my pets. I was playing with my pets. I was meeting friends for coffee. I was meeting friends for coffee. I was cooking dinner. I was cooking dinner. I was having dinner with family. I was having dinner with family. I was cleaning up after dinner. I was cleaning up after dinner. I was reading a book. I was reading a book. I was spending time with family. I was spending time with family. I was watching television. I was watching television. I was playing games. I was playing games. I was doing household chores. I was doing household chores. I was taking the dog for a walk. I was taking the dog for a walk. I was checking the weather. I was checking the weather. I was brushing my teeth again. I was brushing my teeth again. I was turning off the lights. I was turning off the lights. I was falling asleep. I was falling asleep.